everyone. How are you doing today? It's good to see you again. Today, I would like to talk to you about darkness in the house. How much light do you have in your house? Do you use artificial light or do you open the window and the curtain? See, there is a difference between artificial light and natural light. Of course, when it's raining and dark, you need the artificial light. However, as someone said that the light has some kind of blue light, which is not really suitable for the eyes. Why? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. But what I know is if I use the artificial light too often, I get headache. I can't sleep. I cannot function properly. But if I focus on opening the curtains, let the fresh air in, and open, that you have really light, like this wall, and it's bright, I can feel energized. Why? Because when you get natural light, what you need, it's the same thing as you go to sun bath. Some people say when you get the sun, you get a vitamin D. I don't know what you get from the sunlight, but I'm sure you get a good mood from it. So, what is your light like at home? Let me know and see what comes up next tomorrow. I am your friend for the rest of your life. Bye for now.